Hi guys, welcome to my Sunday reset routine. So this is basically what I do on Sunday. Now every Sunday it does differentiate, but for the most part this is what I do on Sundays. So first things first, I always wake up in the morning, and before I even do anything in the morning, I have start to get into the habit where I spend time with God first. I do grab my Bible before my phone because that was a bad habit that I used to have, was grabbing my phone. So I have been reading my Bible from, the beginning to the end. So right now I am in Deuteronomy. So I like to read the Bible and take notes as well where, it sticks out to me or it stands out to me. So I always spend the morning with God first. I got ready for the gym in the morning, and I always go to the gym even if it's Sunday. I just like working out. But before I even leave for the gym, I have to make my bed. It is a habit that's been implemented into me. I have to make my bed. The sheets were already washed prior to me filming this, but we do wash our sheets every Sunday just to kind of start the week fresh. We actually happen to wash the sheets on Saturday, but normally we do wash our sheets on Sunday. So I am going to go ahead and make my bed. I'm going to go ahead and head to the gym for a quick workout. While I go to the gym, I am going to stop downstairs to go grab my packages. I always try to check my packages. I do them on Sunday because I don't have time to go to the mailroom every day. I'd rather just go either on Sundays or Wednesdays or Mondays. So it's either Mondays, Wednesdays, or Sundays I pick up my packages. And then I'm just going to go ahead and shower. I shower before I clean. After I get out the gym, I don't like feeling sticky or just sweating. I just would rather just wash the gym off my body. So I'll go ahead and shower, and then I'm just gonna do my skincare routine and take off my head tie and everything, and then I just start cleaning. I like showering before cleaning just because it's my preference. I prefer it. Some people like to clean and then shower. Me personally, I love to shower and then clean. I normally wash my face and brush my teeth in the shower, and then I go ahead and do my skincare routine once I get out the shower. once I'm done showering, the first thing I want to do is clean the stuff in my closet. Now my perfume bottles have accumulated so much dust, so I want to clean all the dust of each perfume. As you guys can see, I have a lot of perfumes, so I always try to make sure I clean my perfumes, clean my perfume tray, and just kind of get everything spotless, just because you're not gonna notice it because you're just picking up perfume, but it was driving me insane how dusty it was getting. So I do clean it, and I use glass cleaner to clean my perfume tray just because it is glass. Now, before we even continue on to this video, I do want to give a shout out to our sponsor. Our sponsor is Dossier Perfume. You guys know I love Dossier's perfume. I have a lot of them, as you guys can see. Sometimes I don't feel like spending so much money on my perfume. I'll rather get it from Dossier. Now my favorite one that I am wearing from Dossier is my citrus ginger. It smells so delicious. I literally love this perfume. And the second one that I've been going crazy about is their ambery saffron. It smells exactly like baccarat. You cannot even tell the difference. Now the perfume does have a magnetic top, so it's not gonna lose the top. You won't have to be looking anywhere for the top. Also, it is a long-lasting perfume. It's not something that smells like it's gonna be light or it's not gonna last long. Their perfume lasts forever. So I am gonna link the perfumes in the description down below along with my code, so you guys can get some percentage off. Thank you so much, Dossier, for sponsoring this video. So let's go back to our cleaning. So right now we're gonna start off in the kitchen. I'm gonna be taking the dishes out of the dishwasher and I'm gonna put them into their rightful place because I am gonna be using the dishwasher to wash my dishes. Now I sometimes wash my dishes by hand, but sometimes on the weekend I really don't feel like washing dishes, so I prefer to use the dishwasher. So I am just gonna start by just putting the dishes away, and then I'm just gonna start cleaning my shelves, cleaning areas that are dirty. I didn't notice how dirty the shelves were until I started to put stuff away, and I'm like, yeah, I need to clean up the shelf. So I'm taking stuff off of it so I could just clean it. Now what I use to clean is just regular cleaning solution and a dry paper towel, just because I feel it just keeps it clean. I like to just trash the paper towel whenever I'm done. I'm also gonna clean the appliances because sometimes they do accumulate dust throughout the week. So once I'm done cleaning that, I'm gonna start putting the stuff back in place, and then I'm just gonna start rinsing my dishes before I put them in the dishwasher. We did cook the night before, but since I knew I was gonna be recording my Sunday reset, I was just like, I'm just gonna wait to put the dishes away the next day. So I started to put the dishes into the dishwasher. Being that we have a gas grill stove, I have to make sure that I clean the gas because sometimes it does get dirty, and for some reason men don't know how to clean gases. I don't know, living with a man is different, but I clean the gas. Like, I have to clean the gas. It must be like a woman thing because I just like my gas looking clean. I hate a dirty gas. So I use like this Brio pad to like scrub the gas, and then I use a soft sponge to clean it, and then I use this silver, it's like an appliance cleaner. You could get this at Walmart. Honestly, when you use this after you've like cleaned your gas with Brio sponge, it makes your silverware look super shiny and super clean. So that's what I use to clean all of my appliances, my fridge, my gas, anything that has like silver appliance. That's what I use. Even my microwave, that's what I use. So I'm gonna use that, and then I'm gonna use a dry paper towel to kind of wipe it off. So I'm just gonna use that to just wipe it off, clean the silver appliances. As you guys can see, it's already looking really shiny because of the solution that I used. So my husband and I do split our chores, especially on Sundays. Whenever he's home during the weekend, we do split our chores because that's when we really deep clean the house. So he helped me to just clean the living room. He swept the rug, and now he's gonna clean the glass center table that we have, and he puts the things right back as I would do it. So that was great help on his part. And then once we're done, I am gonna use my Swiffer to Swiffer up the floor. I did already sweep the floor prior. I'm sorry that I didn't get to record that, but I did sweep the floor prior and then I wiped it. So now we are gonna go right into my bathroom. We do have separate bathrooms. My husband has his own bathroom, I have my own bathroom. I like it this way just because I am not gonna be a mom. I'm not gonna tell you to clean your bathroom, and I don't like a dirty bathroom, so it's best for me when we have our separate bathroom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start cleaning. As you guys can see, my bathroom it's dirty, but it's not crazy. It's not the worst. Okay, it is not the worst. So I am just showing you guys how it looks right now, and then we're just gonna start cleaning the bathroom. I'm going to start with the sink. I'm just gonna take everything off my sink, and then I am going to clean the sink, and then I'm gonna clean my mirror as well. I don't really have a lot of clutter on my sink at all. I don't like clutter like at all. So I'm just gonna start moving stuff, and I'm gonna start cleaning. Once I have cleaned and swept the floor, I am gonna scrub my bathtub. Now I use an electronic scrubber. Like honestly, this stuff is a game changer. The one thing I used to hate is scrubbing my tub because you literally have to use your hand and scrub it. But with this machine, all you have to do is just click it and it scrubs it for you. I'm gonna link it in the description down below because you guys need this stuff, game changer. So I'm using that to scrub my tub. It does take longer because you have to really like make sure you're applying pressure, but honestly, me not having to bend into that tub and scrub it, mwah, chef's kiss. The final thing I do on Sunday is actually plan out my month. I started doing this more often just because it helps me a lot. I just started this, so it does help. Like when you plan out your month, even if you switch things up, it's still good to know what you're gonna do for the month. And then what I also do is I also write down what I'm gonna do for the next day on my little planner on the side right over there. So that's all I'm gonna do right now, is just planning out my entire month of September. Being that it is the end of this month, I was like, I might as well just start planning it out already. For Sunday dinner, I just decided to make some Thai basil fried rice. I love making this. It's actually one of my favorite dishes to make. And then we just watched Married to Medicine. That is my show. I watched the latest episode because I didn't get to catch up on it. Me and Roland, well, he don't pay attention to it. I just always invite him, and I love to catch him up on the tea, girl. So that's basically how my Sunday reset goes, how I basically get ready for the new upcoming week. Now every Sunday does change. It's not all the same, you know, every day does change, but for this Sunday, this is what I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye.